In today's video, I am going to show you how to create NotebookLM, editable NotebookLM PowerPoint. You know, there are so many people who can now create PowerPoint using NotebookLM from Google. The problem is that a PowerPoint presentation created by NotebookLM cannot be edited. So I will show you how to edit it very fast. Now, for us to start, I am going to go to notebook.lm.google, then press enter and wait for it to load. From here, you will now click on Try Notebook LM. I have done a complete video on how to use this. You can check the link in the description box below. Now, what I'm going to do now is to click on Create New Notebook. So once I click on that, it will present us with this. This is the Notebook LM interface. Now, I am going to use a website link. So I will click on YouTube as my website link. Then I will then have to paste my link. Let me go to YouTube. This is my personal channel. It's not this particular Patech Academy channel. This is my personal channel. Please do wait to subscribe. Okay. So I will go to this video that teaches the difference between Bachelor of Education and Bachelor of Science Education. So I will grab the link, share, then copy the link. Go back to Notebook LM and paste the link using Ctrl V from the keyboard. So I'll click on Insert. Immediately the link will come here. Then after that, Notebook LM will analyze and tell me that this is the summary of this video. Okay. Now what I want to create is PowerPoint presentation because I want to show you how it can be edited. I have done a video, a separate video, but we could not be able to edit it. In fact, you can't edit it here in Notebook LM. But if you watch till the end, you will see how easy you can be able to edit it. So I'll click here on slide desk. Remember, we have done tutorial on some of these, including how to generate audio, how to generate quiz, video overview, and all of that, including infographic. You can always find them in this channel. Okay, so I'll click here for slide deck, choose what I want to do, whether I want it to be detailed deck or just presenter style slides. Okay, so let me use detailed, then choose my language. We have different languages here. I will leave it at English. Then you decide the length, whether you want it to be short or default. Let me use default. You can as well go ahead to write some description here, but let me just go ahead to generate. So I'll click on generate button here, wait for it to do its work. You can see here that Notebook LM is currently generating our slide deck for us. So I'm going to pause this video and return back when the process is complete. Boom, our presentation is ready. This is our slide deck. So let me click on it and again wait for it to load. So you can see my beautiful presentation made for me by Notebook LM from Google. My network is pretty not fast at this time. That is why you are seeing it like this. It takes time for it to load. Okay, but it's all good. So let me expand this. So I can decide to share it or download it. Let me first of all click on it in order to expand. So this is my PowerPoint presentation from Notebook LM. So as I said before, the problem is that you cannot edit anything. Let's say you want to change something here, you cannot be able to do that. Now, let me now show you how to make it editable so that you can use it in PowerPoint or Google Slide or any other presentation platform. So for us to do that, we will need to download it. So if you click here, you can only download in PDF. Wow, this is a new feature. I think you cannot download in PowerPoint. Wow, okay, we'll come back to experiment this, but let us first of all do for PDF, okay? In case if you have another PDF document, PDF presentation from another source, so that we'll complete our lesson. So if I click on PDF download, wait for it to download, look at it, it is downloading. Okay, we have our file here, so we can go to the location. This is the file. Let me open it with Google Chrome. So this is the PDF documents, okay? As we said, you cannot be able to edit. Now, if you want to make it to be editable, you will go to an online tool known as I Love PDF. So this is an online tool. What you will now do is to select the location of this. I will put the link of this website in the description box below. So if I click here now, I'll find the PDF file that I just made, select it, and wait for it to load. Okay, once it has finished loading, I will then click on convert to PowerPoint, that is PPTs. When I click on that, I'll wait for the conversion to be done. Boom, we have our PDF file converted to PowerPoint. So let me now download it, or it has downloaded automatically. So I can now open it. If you can see this, you see that this one has PDF logo, while this one has PowerPoint logo. Okay, so let me open it in PowerPoint. Though I don't use PowerPoint here, I use only Office. So let me open it using my free Office application known as Only Office. So this is it, and you can be able to edit it. Do you see it? Okay, that is how to convert a PowerPoint so that it will be editable. So do you see that you can be able to edit this? So if I want, I can clean this, I can change it to something else. Okay, so, and even image, some image can be also be edited. You can see I'm repositioning it. I can move to another location or delete it entirely, choose another different image or resize. You can see the way I am doing that. Okay, so, and some of the images, the text inside the images are also editable. Do you see that? Okay, so how cool is that? Tell me what you think. Is there any other application that can do this better than I Love PDF, that can allow you to edit PDF presentation? Let me know what you think in the comment section. So we said there is a new feature in NotebookLM where you can now download as PowerPoint. So let's experiment that. So if I click here now, I'll wait for it to download so that we see if actually it will open as a PowerPoint. Yes, it has now downloaded and the icon is showing PowerPoint. Let us open it. You know, this one is one because I've downloaded that before with the same name. So I will still open it with only Office. Okay, now let's see what we have here. You cannot edit it. It's still a whole image. Do you see that? It's still a whole image. You cannot edit. So you go and use the first method. Okay? Go and use the first method. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved one. I will see you on the next one. Bye.